Let's make Mamusubi. This is Mamusubi. Ma-Musubi. Musubi means knot. Ma, this Chinese character kanji means true, genuine, pure, something like that. So it's like a genuine knot. When you pull the ends, the knot gets tighter. Okay, let's begin. I do with the fabric cord first. One end has pink mark, so I hold the pink mark one in my right hand, and then I'm going to use or move just pink end ones. Make a loop. Pink one goes on top of the other side, and the pink end goes to the back and come back from the back through the loop. And pink end goes over to the other side, other ones, just crossing over to the other one. Pink mark one, pushing through from the back into the loop. Pull, and this is Mamusubi. So these two come from the back toward you, and then these two cords are away from you. And when you pull the knot from the end, pull the ends, the knot gets tighter. And with Mizuhiki, make the Mizuhiki cord a bit soft. Make a loop. The right hand side cord in your right hand goes on top of the left hand. Make a loop. And then this one now it's on top. You can push it from the back and come back through the loop. And now this was in your right hand side at the beginning. Now you use this one, goes over to the other side, like this. And you can use your index finger, push it in to the hole from the back, and pull. Again, these two together, and these two together. Mamusubi. If you did it wrong, say the first one was okay, so the pink one goes over to the other side, push it into the hole from the back, and to make a true Mamusubi, pink one has to go on top of the other side. But if you made a mistake, the other side goes on top of the other side, and then you keep going. One is coming toward you, one is going away from you, same as the other side. So when you pull the knot, it's not beautiful. So the cord in your right hand side is the one you using or pushing or going to do things, do it again. The pink one goes over to the other one. The pink one comes back through the loop. Now the pink one is in your left hand, goes on top of the other side. The pink one come back through the loop from behind. This is Mamusubi.